I think it's time we had a little talk. This is something that comes up every now and then. There's been probably half dozen people over 8 years that have basically called us out or given us a hard time over saying we brew. Now, I would like to know, right here, right now, in the comments below, do you call it brewing, do you call it fermentation, or do you call it alcohol making? Now, I'm going to explain why we call it brewing. First, I think it sounds better. It just right off the bat, calling it brewing or a brew sounds better. Is it technically correct? No, it's not. All those people that are calling us out and correcting us, they are right. One person is really angry about it, and I'm really sorry that they're that angry, that they feel that strongly about it, that something like that really causes them so much grief. I mean, I'm really sorry, but it's a very commonly used term for what we do. Think about it. Homebrew. It's beer making. Now, beer is brewing. Coffee is brewing. Some people say mead is brewing. I would say from a technical standpoint, mead is closer to wine and cider making than it is to beer, therefore probably not really brewing. But what do you call it? Fermenting? Well, that covers a lot of ground too. Now you got pickles and sauerkraut and kimchi and all that kind of stuff. But if you call it alcohol making, well, I don't know, that just sounds so cold and clinical. It just doesn't make a lot of sense to me. And it also, alcohol making could be distilling, could be making like rubbing alcohol for extract purposes, or I don't know, whatever, you know what I mean. And to me, brewing just, I don't know, it rolls off the tongue kind of nice. It works really well. And it's the name of our damn channel, and I'm not changing it, okay? We actually changed the channel name a long time ago. We started out as City Steading, then we went to CS Mead and More, which is actually what's on our play button. And then we changed it back to City Steading Brews. I actually really like that because it's not just one meaning. If you think about it, City Steading Brews could be brews as a noun, or it could be City Steading Brews, as in brews as a verb. I kind of like that. Having multiple meanings for the same thing just makes sense to me. And that's why I think brews has multiple meanings. It could mean you're making mead, wine, cider, or beer. I've actually heard other YouTubers talk about this too, and they actually agree with that sentiment that it is brewing. I mean, who cares if it's technically correct? Because you know what? That word 2,000 years ago probably had a completely different meaning anyway. There's a lot of words that actually become a thing. Like, did you know this? The word MacGyver just got added to the dictionary as a verb, to MacGyver something. So if the word MacGyver can be used to mean fix or repair something using odd or unusual equipment, I think the word brews can be used to make mead, okay? Let's not get so petty or so ridiculous about the word thing that we just lose sight of what it actually is about. This is a simple hobby. This is a fun hobby. This is a relaxing hobby. This is an interesting hobby. When you start saying, you're not really brewing, we're what? We're what? Because that's the thing. They don't ever give me an actual name for it, or they give me something that just sounds like, well, actually, you know, and it's just like, wow, they must be a lot of fun at parties. Yeah, you know, I'm picking on these people a little bit because, well, there's so many things in this world to be angry about. Calling it City Steading Brews and calling making mead brewing is just one of them that, let it go, man. Get on with your life and go brew something. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.